Hello, welcome to this video of the assembly of a power cable for the Google Nest radio. So here we have our needed components: connector, cable, and hot tubing. And here we have our tools: soldering, edge cutter, stripper, and a soldering iron. Alright, so we start with our connector. And you can see from this connector there's a long wire and a short wire. The short wire is the plus wire and the long wire is the minus wire. I put it here on the connector so I can solder it very easily. Here we have our power cable, and we have to cut it roughly in half and strip it. Yeah. So like this, and we have to strip these wires also. So we have this cable, and now we need the other connector. We have to strip it. You have to restrip it. So I will cut this here like this, and I will strip this one and this one here. I make this a little bit longer, So I have to twist two cables, the black and the black, together. And solder it to each other. So, like this. So they're nicely connected now. And the same thing for the red wire and the white wire. Here you will just twist them together and then solder them together. Okay, this is good. Now I have to cut two pieces of tube, heat shrink tube. 1, 2. It's the thick, and I put it on like here and here, and put it really as far away from the heat source as possible. So I have two nice wires here, and now I'm going to put a little bit of tin on this connector. And you see the screw is already on it. That's okay. So now I solder on the minus pole and the plus pole, and make sure it's nicely. So now I put the hot tubing on the open wires like this, and I will shrink it with my soldering iron. So now we have our complete cable. This is called the power line assembly cable. This is what you need with your Google Nest radio.